Welcome to Violet Galaxy, everyone. So today we're gonna learn about how to code game control in Scratch. Let's get into it. First, we must put the green flag. Then we have to put the motion. We have to set the position. But what is this code for? Well, this code is for like let's say I move this shark here, and then I press the green flag again, and then it will be back where it belongs. After that, and now it's time to code the game control. So there's total two ways to code a game control. One is very easy, one is like normal. So let's start. So first let's take out all this game control thing. Then let's the up arrow. So the up arrow we will use change y by 5. Then for the down arrow we use -5, which is -5. After that, for the up and down arrow, we will use X. So up, so change X by 5. For the down arrow, we are gonna use -5, which is -5. So let's try out. Wow, it is moving. So this is one of the way to make the game control. So the other way of making the game control is here. So I'm going to remove all this, and we have to put a green flag for this. We have to put forever and if then. And now we have to put for if then code. Great. So now it's time to put the sensing. What is this? So what is sensing? Sensing is like it will sense what kind of button you press for this. This is one of the code we're explaining here. Okay, so we're gonna use up arrow, which is like the same for this now, like change y by 5. 5. Okay, we're done now. So now let's duplicate this block and move it in here. And we're gonna use down arrow. Change. Now this one is change y by -5, which is -5. Okay, great. So now it's time for the right and left arrow. First, let's start with right. Right, right. And now this time is change y by 5. Great. The next step, the very last step, is the left arrow. It's also the same, but it's -5. -5, which is -5. Okay, now it's time to try it out. Okay, it's great. But you guys are wondering, how do I make a key that I want to make two types of key in one code? Well, it's possible. So the thing is you have to add or operators. So let's duplicate this. Okay, I'm going to put W. We're almost done here. So we have to group these these codes together. We're- So the other way to say up arrow, well, is W. So let's find W here. W. Alright, great. We have found what we want. So now we're gonna add it here. Okay, it's time to duplicate the blocks. Okay, here we're gonna change it to down arrow. And here we're gonna change it to S. Alright, we're almost done, so we just left two more to go. I'm gonna remove this here and put right arrow. Then for the right arrow, we're gonna put it down D. Here, D is here. Wow. So we're almost ready. Just left one more code to go. So now we're almost done. We will have to the for the last one we're gonna use left arrow. And left arrow, which is A. Okay, great. So we're gonna remove this here and we are ready. Okay, so let's save it and then now let's try it out. I'm using the arrow keys. Wow, it works. And now it's time for the letter keys. Wow, it really works. Hope this tutorial helped you everyone. Thanks for watching.